So it's like.
You know, if you hide away from it, I'm not saying that people hide away from it, but you know what I mean? Like you put up the courage today to come and do this. Really, I think it's just
But now what we can do, smile and look down at her shoulder. This could now be quite commercial beauty because she's showing off her eyeshadow. It's looking very skinny.
Like you say, I'm really restricted in going out at night. I wouldn't shoot at night. But when
There's one picture of two girls there starting to pinch each other's bums. I'm not putting that out because I don't think that's. Yeah, this was